How to draw the Houston Texans logo. We are going to start off by drawing the left side of the bowl. We will start by drawing the left horn, and for this we are going to draw a big curved line that's in somewhat of a C shape. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw the other side of the horn. For this we are going to draw another curved line that's more of a C shape to the left of this one, connecting at the top, coming to a point. Nice job, we're all done drawing the left horn. Now from the left side of the horn we are going to draw a small diagonal line going down to the left. Awesome job! Now from that we are going to draw a curved line going down. This line is going to curve out to the right. Awesome! Now from the bottom of this we are going to draw a small line going to the left and down a little bit. And then we are going to draw a diagonal line going down and to the right. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now right here we are going to draw a long curved line connecting the top and bottom of the left side of our bowl. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the left side of our bowl. Now let's draw the right side. For the first step of drawing the right side of our bowl, we are going to draw a curved line like the one we just finished drawing. Only this one will be a little bit to the right, like you see here. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the right. Great job! Now we are going to draw a curved line going up from that, making the right outline of our bowl. This curved line will not be as long as the curved line to the left of it. It will be a little bit shorter. Great job! Now we are going to draw the right bullhorn right here, just like this one, but it is going to be a little bit smaller. Also, it is going to be a mirror image, so it's going to be curving outwards towards the right. So the curved lines that we draw are going to be backwards C-like shapes instead of C-like shapes like we did for the left side. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the last step right here, we are going to draw a star. For this, I will pick my hand up in between drawing each point of the star so that you can follow along. First point down, now we have 4 more to draw. This is how to draw the Houston Texans logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, check out our logos playlist to see more drawings of logos. And if you want us to draw something next, then make sure to comment down below so that we know what you want to see. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.